Hi, ladies and gentlemen. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create different physical appearances, materials, colors, etc., and how to add them to your building. So what we want to do is once our building is created, we want to go to Modify, and we're going to go to Appearances, which is right here. And this is going to pop up. And what this here in this design is which materials you have loaded up in your queue here. But you don't necessarily need to use this. You can take directly from the available materials and and just apply it to the building. But this is good for if you want to just keep certain things organized, tools that you always use. So we want to change this to faces, all right? And what we have here, once that's changed to faces, is going to give you a whole bunch of folders filled with different materials, and each one has its own menu. So we have fabric, glass, leather, cloth, liquid, metal, mirrors, anything. So let's just take a look at the mirror here. Okay, this here is mirror. We could take this, and since it's applied to faces and not components or bodies, that would mean the entire thing, okay? So we only want to add things to very select geography. And when we hover over it, the faces that we want to select light up. So we're going to, I'm going to use mirror. I'm going to place it here, okay? And now this section here is a mirror. I could place that in any face I choose. Maybe these will be mirrors. And even to the sides of these, like right here and the tops, anywhere you want. So you can get as detailed as you want with this. And this is what's already here. But let's take a look if we can add here. All right, and this is steel, this is mirror. Okay, so we've added some different functions already, but let's take a look at what else is there. So we have paint, and for color, this is a good option to use. So you have different kinds of things like glossy or matte. So let's just go into the paint itself. And when we go into paint, you have a glossy folder, but you also have other types here. They're all show you what they are. So let's just say I want this to be red. I want this whole thing to be, I'm just going to click and drag, and now I have that color for my face. And this is the basic thing that you do. You just kind of find materials, you find colors, and you just drop and drag. And once you do, it automatically shows up in your queue as something you've already used. So let's just take a look at other things. We have stone, we have wood. Let's take a look at wood. All these different kinds. All right, and now we have this nice cherry wood finish here. And maybe I want this to be oak. All right, and this is how we are going to build unique features in our buildings. And of course, you want to work on multiple sides, turn it around, and find different things to give it character and personality. All right, and as you wish, but please don't do this as hodgepodge as I'm doing it here. Try to use a designer's eye and make smart choices, meaning that they look aesthetically pleasing together in the end result, and you're making choices with purpose and not just placing things randomly. Okay, so that is how it's done. A last reminder is once you go to appearances, which is in this modify drop down right here, you want to change it to faces. Okay, it'll already be a body's components, change it to faces. Okay, and that's how you do it.